everyone, it's Golden Rose.
And Golden Flower.
And today we are playing some Minecraft Sky Wars.
Yay! Today is Sky Wars Tuesday. Today is
Sky Wars Tuesday.
So, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Go!
Go, Ratch. Oh, wait, me. I have to. Sorry. I forgot. Okay, we need to do this correctly. Okay, let's rush to enemies.
Okay.
Get Rookie Kit and just go.
Get the what?
Rookie Kit.
Okay. Can I get one chest?
Yeah, just go one chest.
Yes.
Over here.
Get a better sword at least.
I do.
Go from the top. Go from the tippy top. Tippy top. Tippy top.
Come in. Wait! Don't rush me.
But I have to.
Accomplished.
Our teammate's going to the middle. The teammates. When you think we'll use the middle path then.
At least you don't have to use our path.
Yeah. Okay.
Should we go?
Going.
Wait, is that even an option?
Yeah. Hey dudes, come on. What? Are they twins?
Oh, the twin.
What in the world?
Go on the other side.
I am. Hey, hey, heal him.
You look.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Okay, find me.
Okay.
Someone say.
That was easy.
You made a mistake.
Regen. Put some armor on.
Oh,
There
God.
we go. There we go.
Right now.
There we go.
Oh, we got knockback fish now.
Sweet.
Oh, no.
Ah! What's hitting me?
What is it, you?
I don't know.
Wait, over there.
Hold on. Let me just clean up my inventory.
I missed all those eggs. Dang it.
Almost
Okay.
done.
So, here's the plan, Stan.
What's the plan, Stan?
I don't know, Stan.
Okay, Stan.
It's funny that you're actually responding to Stan.
No. It's my job to respond to everybody, Stan. Okay, I'm hurrying!
Oh, by the way, guys, if you hear our little sister crying right now, yeah, don't mind her.
Yeah, don't mind her. Trying to be as loud as we can. I see him! Sharp 2! How do you like that, Sharp 2? Kill him.
Gotta run! Have to run!
Yeah.
Let them push her. Okay. Oh, do you have any regen?
Yes, no. Do you have any again?
No.
Oh no. So bad. Okay. Don't mind the noise, everybody. Just ignore it. Okay, you healed up a bit? Shoot him. Got him.
So what are you saying?
I'm shooting.
Oh, what? Oh, for him. Should we go for him?
Yes, let's go, hurry.
Following you.
He's in the island. Yeah.
I got my fishing rod.
Ooh, some stuff. Hold up, I want some stuff. Sorry.
Can I have that? Could you
Here, take the pants. Yeah, that's basically.
That's okay. He's coming.
What?
Oh, I knocked him back.
Nice. Okay, I'm coming.
Move.
Sorry. I died! No! come. Kill him!
Die already! Oh my god.
Okay, head to mid.
So I
Stuff
never
mid.
die.
Stuff at mid. Stuff at mid and stuff.
Wait.
I'm searching around for things. When I mean things, I mean people. Okay, I don't see anybody.
Oh gosh.
Where is that last guy? I'm looking. Still looking. I don't see him. Maybe. Okay, get the compass. Oh, I found him! He's only full iron. Let me see where you are. So, go to your left. Go to your left. Yes. Yeah. No. Yeah, straight ahead. And then he's on the very last island to the right.
Okay, guys, I can see anything.
Do you have e-pearls?
No.
Okay. Is he? What is he doing? Hello, dude. What are you doing? Hurry! Get him! Crossing that island.
Come on. It's it.
Jump over here. Careful. Watch out, he has eggs.
Oh gosh. But I have powers.
He has a lava bucket ready. He made me go on fire.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh god.
This is scary. Yep. Yes.
Shoot him.
This is rough.
Yay!
This is real nice.
Go to another round.
Welcome to hot.
Okay. Next round. Okay. Flaggy.
I know.
Oh wait, I forgot to change the kit.
Same.
Now I'm rookie. I'm still rookie. I'm a rookie.
I'm so lucky too.
What's that shot actually do?
Put that there.
I'm heading.
Careful.
I need better stuff like cause yeah. There's like better stuff.
No, sorry.
Okay. Early ways to do this.
What are you doing?
Okay. Hold
Is
on.
he in there or did
I
that
need
guy
better
die?
stuff. Wait, over there. Go for him.
Where?
I died. Dang it! It's okay. No, don't go down there.
Why?
There's a hole. See?
Oh.
Yeah, good job.
Where did he go?
He died.
Oh.
Upgrade your armor.
Yeah. Anyone coming?
Oh yeah, okay, no. Okay, go to the island beside you.
That island?
Yep. Repeatedly.
Oh, man.
You can do this. I believe in you! Yeah. Oh, so a guy is at 12.
What? No, I fell.
Dang it. Okay, if we do this, we
No.
have to make this count because this is gonna be our last round.
Last round.
You
And
do
only...
this.
Wait, do we have a win yet? I don't remember. Oh, yeah.
We do.
One win of
Okay, change the
The
kit.
day.
Change the kit.
night.
Nice.
Thanks for reminding me.
No problem.
Okay, get some stuff. Not really good, but I'll do. Any armor for me?
Yeah.
Thank To middle?
Here, Seth. Good, get it.
Hello. Don't mind the crunching or bagging noises. It's just my mama.
My mama.
My mom eating some chips.
Yeah.
Everyone loves chips, right? Well, I do.
Elmer's glue! Elmer's glue!
Oh no, oh no, I died.
Oh gosh.
This is the worst round ever.
Just so you're here.
No. Sorry.
Okay.
Natalie, you summoned me?
I summoned you. Do you know why?
Is it outro time?
Outro time. Well, guys,
That is it.
for our video,
Remember to
subscribe,
comment.
and like.
Bye.
See you guys next time.